Hi, I'm Tom Kaiser, Director of Customer Support here at TA Instruments. I want to thank you for your recent purchase of equipment from TA. We want to get you up and running as quickly as possible. To do that, we've prepared this short pre-installation video. In it, our technical specialists will go over the specific things that you need to have in place in your lab prior to the installation. Our experience has shown that with a properly prepared lab, the install will go smoothly and quickly, avoiding unnecessary delays and additional expense if the lab is not prepared. Once you have watched this video and can confirm that your lab is indeed ready, please contact your service representative directly to confirm the installation date. We at TA Instruments remain committed to your satisfaction, and we look forward to working with you into the future. Thank you.
The instrument is shipped on a wooden pallet. Additional pallets will arrive with consumables and accessories that you have ordered. Please do not unpack the box yourself to avoid possible loss or damage to any components. Your service representative is trained to unpack the system. The Q Series DSC line can weigh up to 211 pounds. With the refrigerated cooling system, your lab workstation should be able to support at least 300 pounds of weight. At least one person should assist the service representative move the instrument. When choosing a suitable location for your system, we recommend a temperature-controlled, dust-free environment, away from direct air currents and drafts, direct sunlight, and busy pathways and doorways. For best results, a marble table at least 35 inches wide and 30 inches deep for the instrument workstation should be used to minimize vibrations and other disturbances. Allow 2 inches behind the instrument to accommodate necessary cables and tubing. If purchasing a refrigerated cooling system, an additional 10 inches wide and 20 inches deep space is required within 3 feet of the DSC. If purchasing a liquid nitrogen cooling system, an additional 4 feet wide and 2 feet deep space within 6 feet of the DSC is required. The cooling gas is connected to the back of the instrument using 1/4-inch Teflon tubing and Legree fittings. The purge gases are connected to the back of the instrument using 1/8-inch outer diameter polyethylene tubing and Legree fittings. The tubing and fittings are provided in the accessory kit shipped with the instrument. For Q20 PDSC users, all tubing connecting the PDSC cell to other devices such as gas cylinders, gauges, valves, or regulators should be 3.18 millimeters. They must be rated for high pressure service up to 3,000 pounds per square inch and free of hydrocarbons. All gases supplied to the instrument must be dry and free of oil, dirt, and water. Acceptable purge gases include air, nitrogen, oxygen, helium, or argon. All gases supplied to the DSC must be regulated. For sample and base purge gas, the pressure range is 10 to 20 pounds per square inch. For the cooling gas, the pressure range is 25 to 120 psi. The Q Series DSC can operate on 120 or 230 volts AC. For 230 volt operation, a transformer kit is required. It is normally included in shipment to 230 volt regions. The RCS 40 and RCS 90 can operate on 120 or 230 volts AC. The LNCS can operate on 85 to 264 volts AC. If purchasing a refrigerated cooling system or a liquid nitrogen cooling system, A gas dryer should be on order with the DSC and is required to prevent moisture buildup. If purchasing an LNCS, you may choose to use external pressurization when operating it. An additional regulator is required to deliver 10 psi to the LNCS. In addition, an LN2 bulk storage tank is required to fill the LNCS tank. It is recommended that your computer run under the Windows 7 operating system with an Intel Core 2 Duo processor or better, a minimum of 4 GB of memory, and a 250 GB drive. The computer must have administrative privilege. If necessary, provide the service representative with the necessary name and password to enable this privilege. Now that you are ready for installation, please call your service representative to confirm your appointment. Thank you for taking the time to prepare your lab for your new TA system.